In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover unsaved work. Use auto recovery in InCopy. If InCopy ever crashes or your system restarts unexpectedly, there's a good chance your recent edits can be restored automatically. The key is how you launch the app. Start by opening InCopy normally from its application icon, not by double-clicking a document. Launching the app itself gives InCopy a moment to look for any recovery data before it tries to open a specific file, which is exactly what you want after an unexpected shutdown. After InCopy starts, if recovery data exists, you'll see the automatic recovery dialog appear. This is InCopy's way of saying it found a version of your document saved in the background, and it's ready to help you get back to where you left off. You'll be presented with a few choices, and understanding what each one does will help you make the right call. Choose Yes or Recover when you want to bring back unsaved edits. InCopy will try to open the recovery file and restore your work. When it succeeds, the document opens with Recovered in the title bar, so you can tell at a glance that you're looking at a recovered version. This label is a helpful reminder to carefully review your content. Auto recovery aims to capture your most recent changes, but depending on when the background save occurred, it may not include your very last keystrokes. Take a moment to scan key sections, verify recent edits, and ensure everything looks right before you continue working. Choose No if you want to skip the recovery attempt. InCopy will open without restoring any old data. This can be useful if you're confident your last manual save has everything you need, or if you prefer to open your file yourself later and compare versions. You can always browse to the document and open it normally from within the app once it has launched. Choose Cancel to stop the recovery process entirely and return to InCopy without attempting recovery. This option simply closes the dialog and leaves you in the app, which can be helpful if you want to pause and decide what to do next without making a change right away. If the automatic recovery dialog doesn't appear, it usually means there isn't any recovery data available, so proceed to open your document as you normally would. In most cases, though, clicking Yes and letting InCopy restore the recovered version is the best way to get your work back quickly and with minimal disruption.